Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about 5 quality journal, Q1 quartile and Q2 quartile and high H index journal in the different subject. So लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिए, मे बी पॉसिबल आप जिस जर्नल को सर्च आउट कर रहे हैं वो आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाए. And friend, if you are not subscribe the channel, subscribe the channel and also like and also help your friends by sharing this video. So first category of this journal is the Springer platform. Springer is the very renowned platform to publish the research article. So journal title name is Journal of Industrial Microbiology and Biotechnology. So this is also the very good journal, and the topic and title and many more things you can see here. So this section will provide about the journal description, so read out this section very carefully. Here you will find out the topics and also related information to publish your research paper. And this section is very important, so this section will provide the impact factor detail and means journal quality and also the publication detail. So within 31 days you will get the first notification about the journal or research acceptance or any communication within 30 days, and after that 108 days are required to publish your research paper. So this is the publication timing. And if you want to know the previous issue that already have been published, so you can see here in this section carefully. So indexing is the very important thing, so just go through, and this here you will find out the abstract and indexing. So this journal published in both category, electronic version and also the print version. Abstract indexing, you can see here, this is a very huge and rich in indexing. So as we always prefer the UGC care listed journal, so this comes under the category of the UGC care listed journal, SCI index journal, SCIE index journal, Scopus category, and also the many more indexing. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. तो इसमें अगर आपका रिसर्च एरिया अगर आपको मैच कर रहा है, so this is a golden opportunity to quick publication journal. And how we will submit our research paper, so you can see here in the राइट हैंड साइड माई अकाउंट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर अकाउंट. आपको सबसे पहले अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है, देन उसके बाद अपना रिसर्च पेपर इसमें सबमिट कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल द गाइडलाइन यू विल फाइंड आउट हियर. सेकेंड कैटेगरी ऑफ द वेरी रेपुटेड पब्लिशर्स एंड प्लेटफॉर्म, एल्सेवियर कैटेगरी. Journal title is the Journal of Hydro Environment Research. Those researchers comes under this particular energy or research environment and research area, then you can say submit your research paper to the publication, because this journal related to the energy. And impact factor of this journal 2.099 and site score 4.7. and in this section you will find out the topics. What are the topics accepted by this particular journal? So read out this section very carefully. Here you will find out the all the topics, and you can see here all the related acceptance ratio and also the impact factor. All the things are given here, so read out this section very carefully. And if you want to know the journal metrics, you will find out here, so go through this. And if you want to know about the indexing, so just click on the abstract indexing part, so it will be redirected to the abstract and indexing part. So accordingly we can see this is the indexing part. So you can see here this journal comes under the category of the SCI indexing. Next category of this journal, AGU, Advanced Earth and Space Science. If your research area comes under this particular topic and title, you can submit your research paper to the publication. This is also the very renowned publisher Wiley publication, John Wiley publication. Impact factor of this journal 3.66 and site score is also given here. Online ISSN number here given here. And this section will provide the all the detailed information and introduction about of this particular journal. And if you want to know more, here are all the tabs are given here. If you want to explore all the previously published article, you can just browse. highlights, and also if you want to know about this particular journal aim and scope, what are the topics and titles and indexing, you can see here. So इस सेक्शन में आपको यहाँ पर इंडेक्सिंग एंड आल्सो द टॉपिक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. So if your research area comes under this particular topics, then you can submit your research area to the publication. So read out this section very carefully and accordingly you can submit. And if you want to know more about the journal guidelines, submit an article and also many more things, so you can see here right hand side, all the tabs are given here: instruction, institutional, and also the personal choice. So many things are given here, so you have to explore each and every corner of this particular journal. Next category of the elsewhere category, this comes under the category of the energy. If your research area comes under this particular energy titles, you have to submit your research. The impact factor is also very good, 6.08, to really very good index for H index and also the impact factor. If you want to know more about this particular topics and titles, so read out this section very carefully, so you will get all the detailed information about the topics and title. And if you want to know about the indexing, so you can see here about the indexing. So whether this journal related to Scopus, SCI, all the things are given here. So you can see here this journal comes under the category of the very rich indexing. So as we always prefer Scopus category, SCI indexing, so all the things are given here. So you can see here Scopus category and so many things are given here: SCI indexing, Web of Science indexing. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research. Next category of this particular Wiley publication, this is also the renowned platform to publish your research paper. The journal title is the Business Strategy and the Environment. Impact factor of this journal 5.483, and by 2019 impact factor is given here, and ISSN is also the given here. So you can see here this journal published in the online categories. And if you want to know more about this journal, so read out this section very carefully. Here you will find out all the introduction and a brief introduction about this particular journal. What are the things, what types of the papers accepted by this journal. And if you want to know more about this journal, so just click on this particular overview, so it will be redirected to the particular aim and scope, what are the topics and titles. So you have to find out all the things very carefully. So explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the things. And what are the indexing and abstracting of this journal, you can see here this is the indexing. So as we always prefer Scopus category, you can see Scopus category, SCI category journal. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research पेपर. अगर आपके सभी टॉपिक आपके रिसर्च एरिया से मैच करते हैं तो ये आप अपना रिसर्च पेपर इसमें पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. बट बिफोर पब्लिकेशन यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर एंड ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल्स अबाउट दिस जर्नल आपको करना चाहिए. तो एक बार आप उसको इंश्योर होते हैं, अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड होते हैं इस जर्नल से, तभी आप इसमें पब्लिश करने के लिए सेंड करें. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.